buggy is doing really good in that. Woo! Got too much power.
Try not to, this thing fell. Took you out.
It's alright.
I would have taken you out, dude. This thing makes points of work.
Does it?
Yeah. That would have been unfortunate. You gotta be careful if you ever hit anyone like this.
Oh!
Oh, that didn't do good. Too much power.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, let him go. Oh man. You having trouble staying on that track?
Yeah. Oh!
Oh. Just when you think you got it, master.
Oh!